Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today what I'm doing is talking about staying healthy on a cruise ship. So a cruise ship has a lot of people on it, and especially with all the stuff that's going on recently with all that, we again are planning on still going on a cruise. I don't know if that's still going to be a go or not, but we're still going to try. But how do you stay healthy on there with all these people? Well, luckily they actually, if you've never gone on a cruise before, they hand out wipes all the time. So every time you go into a restaurant or something like that, they give you wipes to clean your hands. There is sanitizing stations everywhere. As long as you handle, do normal hygiene related items, you won't have any issues with that. So they take every precaution. They're cleaning the cruise ship constantly, so it's usually not a problem with the amount of people. Now again, you can make sure you don't share drinks with people. You can not be so close, like face-to-face contact, and that would definitely help as well. So just in general, it's not that bad to keep. I've been on many cruise ships and never have had any kind of health concerns from going there. Now, if you are someone who is prone to getting things, like if you have an immune suppressed situation, like if you've had mono recently, or if you have had cancer and you're on chemotherapy and stuff like that, and cause you to be more susceptible to getting things, then maybe cruise ship is not the best bet for you, since you are a lot of times in close quarters with other people, and so if they did have something, you might get it as well. And also if you have a heart condition or anything that where you might need medical attention very quickly, because I have seen some people have a heart attack on the ship, and so that is very nerve-wracking, but I found out later, that they had a heart condition already. So just be mindful of that. If you feel that you can't go without seeing a doctor very frequently, watch that. You bring the amount of insulin you need plus more in case something happens. You are eating a lot of times more sugary type foods anyways. So just, be mindful of your own health situation. And now they do have workout facilities. So again, if you're used to working out, continue to do that, and just keep yourself healthy. That's how you stay healthy, is eating good foods and exercising regularly. So that's a great way to do it and just provide yourself a better immune system in general. So I hope that helps ease your concerns about going on a cruise ship. If they allow us to go, we do still plan on going on our cruise, depending on if they're gonna let us back in the country and those kind of things. So it's gonna be hit or miss on that, and we'll let you know whenever we for sure decide if we're going or not. I will do an updated video on that. So thank you so much for watching. God bless, be adventurous, and we need to all pray in this time that the Lord takes over and helps us out here and gets rid of this virus, and that everyone can just go on about their lives, and that the Lord just be with us and heal those who are sick. And to Jesus about to take care of us, or take care of our family and friends, and just be with those who are sick. So again, thank you so much for watching. Be safe, be healthy, and hopefully we get to go on a cruise. So we'll see you next time. Bye.